Hello and welcome to Bill & Rod's Appliance. My name is Joe, and today we are going to actually talk about changing the air filter in this FG4H2272UF from Frigidaire. Let's take a look on the inside. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up the refrigerator, and behind this little panel is where that air filter is. It's in the upper center of your refrigerator. Simply pop it off, simply remove the filter, and pop the new one in the same exact way. After replaced inside, pop it back into place. After replacing the air filter, hold down the reset air filter button. For more information on this Frigidaire Gallery refrigerator or any other products that we offer, please visit our website www.billandrodsappliance.com to see everything that we have to offer. If you have any other videos that you'd like to see on how to change a filter or just how a product works in general, please send me a message. I would love to build one out for you. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you next time.